Growing show-stopping dahlias can be a rewarding endeavor, as these stunning flowers come in a wide range of colors, shapes, and sizes. Here are some tips to help you successfully grow and showcase beautiful dahlias. 1. Choose the right varieties. Select dahlia varieties that match your desired color scheme, size, and flower type. There are various types of dahlias, including decorative, cactus, pompon, and more. Consider the height of the plants and the size of the blooms when planning your garden. 2. Planting. Choose a well-draining location with full sun. Dahlias love sunlight for optimal growth and flowering. Plant tubers, dahlia roots, in the spring after the last frost has passed. Ensure the soil has warmed up to around 60°F, 15°C. Plant tubers horizontally, about 4-6 inches deep and 12-18 inches apart, depending on the size of the dahlia. 3. Soil preparation. Dahlias thrive in fertile soil with good drainage. Amend the soil with compost or well-rotted manure before planting. Aim for a slightly acidic to neutral soil EC 6.5 to 7.0. 4. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Water at the base of the plant to prevent foliage from getting wet, which can lead to fungal issues. Water deeply and infrequently rather than shallow, and often to encourage deep root growth. 5. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the plants to help retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. 6. Support. As your dahlia plants grow, they may require support to prevent bending or breaking of stems, especially for larger varieties. Use stakes or cages to support the plant, and tie stems gently to prevent damage. 7. Fertilizing. Apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer when planting, and follow up with light applications every 4-6 weeks during the growing season. Avoid high nitrogen fertilizers, as they can encourage excessive foliage growth at the expense of flowers. 8. Deadheading and pruning. Regularly deadhead spent blooms to encourage continuous flowering. Pinch off the faded flowers just above a set of leaves. To encourage bushier growth and more flowers, pinch or cut back the tips of young plants when they reach about 12-18 inches in height. 9. Pest and disease management. Keep an eye out for pests like aphids, slugs, and snails. Use natural or organic pest control methods if needed. Proper spacing and good air circulation can help reduce the risk of fungal diseases. 10. Overwintering. In regions with frost, dig up dahlia tubers after the first frost has killed the foliage. Store the tubers in a cool, dry place for the winter and replant them in the spring. 11. Exhibition preparation. For show-stopping dahlias, choose the most perfect blooms with uniform color and shape. Gently clean the flowers and remove any blemishes before exhibiting. By following these tips and providing proper care, you can grow spectacular dahlias that will dazzle and impress anyone who sees them. Whether you're showcasing them in your garden or entering them in exhibitions, dahlias are sure to be a highlight of your floral displays.